Hi everyone, my name is Vondechi and I'm the CEO and founder of Vondechi's Vault. And today I want to talk to you about nurture versus nature in brain development. It sounds a little bit confusing, but it's really interesting. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to watch other witchy wellness videos or videos in public health and black girl magic, please go to my website, which is www.vondechi.com. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you there. Bye.
There is no